Okay, friends. So we have this lab section, and you can see the vulnerable.com, testphp.vulnerable.com, and you can try as many as vulnerability whatever you know on this lab, so that this will give you confidence. And make sure that whatever I'm doing, just learn the concept first and try everywhere, whatever wherever you want to try. But make sure that for that web application there should be a responsible disclosure. That is, I think, in the starting we already have talked about that. Do not check for the vulnerabilities on those websites which do not have responsible disclosure. Okay, great. So I have two browsers. I have taken the two browsers. The first one is Mozilla one, and the second one is Google Chrome. So whatever the changing I am going to do here, that will automatically is going to reflect here. If it is reflect, then it means the CSRF vulnerability is present. If it doesn't reflect, it means CSRF is not present. So that's very simple, right? So let me start. Click on sign up button. So you can see here, this one is not login. This one is Mozilla one, and this one is Google Chrome. So it is not logged in. You can see here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in. I'm going to check on the login button whether it's is it vulnerable or not. So click on intercept is on and just click on login. Now you can see here that that request has been captured by the Bob suite. Just right click here and go in the engagement tools and generate CSRF POC. So you can see the HTML, whatever the HTML function uh, for that request. Just copy this HTML and I'm going to open Notepad. Okay, so now I have pasted. Now I'm going to save it. Control S. So you need to save it as an extension of HTML, or you can say STM. So you can see here .html is the extension I have already given. You can also choose from here, but it will directly come across on that. So I have clicked on saved. Great. So here the point is that you can see here I didn't forward this request till now. If you can see, I didn't forward this request till now. And here if you can see, okay, let me just forward this request. Okay. Okay, so now in the Mozilla one, you can see it is already logged in, correct? So now I'm going to click on this CSRF which we have saved. Now once I will click on submit, if this has been logged in the Google Chrome, it means CSR, there is a presence of CSRF and it is vulnerable. So let's click on that. Okay, great. So you can see here we have find the vulnerability of CSRF on login button, correct? So if you find this type of anything, you can directly report that, and definitely you will get maybe near about $1,000. I mean, it definitely depends on the company to company, but maybe $1,000 you can earn, or more than 1,000. So that was the first vulnerability I show you. Now let me show you that modification. If what will happen if I modify something here, right? So let me modify something here. Okay. Okay. Let's log out this one and sign up again just for the confirmation. Login. Great. Now we have already logged in, the same thing. Okay. What I'm going to do in the Mozilla Firefox, I'm going to change something here. So let's say CyberSec Live. Credit card number is anything, whatever you want to write, you can do it. CyberSec Live 07@gmail.com. Here you can say, right, follow CyberSec Live on every social media, right? Now what I'm going to do, I again will go in the Bob suite and make sure it is on. Click on update button. Again, just go in the engagement tools, generate CSRF POC, copy this HTML, and I'm going to paste here and Control S so that it can save in the previous one. Now, okay, let me forward it. Intercept is off now. You can see here all the things I already have covered. Okay. Now in this one, I need to test in this one browser. So we just click on CSRF submit button if it is changing or not. So you can say, see here guys, that one is also vulnerable, right? That should not be reflect in another Google, browser, but it is reflecting with that request as well. So that's how it is working and it is vulnerable. And if you find any type of these things modification, then you can directly report that and definitely it comes into the P2 means in the high severity. So definitely you will get it in the I think maybe 2000, 3000 or more, maybe 4 to 5,000 dollar for that. Okay, great. Let me show you one more thing that okay, so let's say log out. Just click on that log out button if it is vulnerable or not. So let me click on the log out button. Here it is. Okay, log out test. Okay, engagement tools, generate CSRF POC, copy HTML and paste here. Control S. Great. So let's say forward and intercept is on. If let's say in the Mozilla, yeah. So it has been logged out. Now I need to check on this one Google Chrome. So I will just double click on that, submit. See here, you have been logged down. See you back soon. So this is how you can check the CSRF vulnerability. I hope I am able to make you understand, guys. And I also you can in the coming sessions I will tell you that how uh, in the you can say in the live website I will try to show you that how you can do those things. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in the next video.